Good day everyone, my name is Guardian Mdihito. In this video, I'll show to you how to calculate compass error. The scenario: a ship have a true course of 125 degree and a variation of 15 degree westerly and a deviation of 10 degree easterly. Find the magnetic compass and course of an object. So first, we must write the given. So the true course is 125 degree. The variation is 15 degree westerly. The magnetic is missing, so we must find it later. So the deviation is 10 degree easterly. So in this case, true course and the variation must be added because it's a westerly. And it's an uncorrecting. So if the scenario is uncorrecting, it's going up. So the west must be plus and the easterly is be minus. So in this case, we must have to plus it. So 125 plus 15 degree westerly equals to 140 degree. So in this case is an east, so we must minus. So 140 degree minus 10 degree easterly equals to 130 degree. So let's go to the opposite. So we must put the course equals to 130 degree and the deviation of 10 degree easterly and the variation of 15. In this course, in the opposite, we must use the correcting, so going down. So if the correcting, west must be minus and east must be plus. So in this case, 130 degree plus 10 degree easterly, so easterly must be plus, so equivalent to 140 degree. So 140 degree, so is westerly must be minus 140 degree minus 15 degree westerly equals to 125 degree. So to get the compass error, the deviation and the variation must be calculated. So the deviation and the variation as well as in the opposite. So the variation equals to 15 degree easterly and the deviation equals to 10 degree easterly. So in this case is an uncorrecting, so we must minus it because it's going upward. So 15 minus 10 equals to 5 degree. So we go to the opposite. So the deviation equals to the variation equals to 10 equals to 15 degree westerly. So in this case, it's an uncorrecting, so from up to down, so we must minus also. So 10 minus 15 equals to 5 degree. So we have the same compass error. Good day everyone, my name is Guardian Mdihito. So now I'll show to you how to calculate sailing calculation using parallel sailing. So now, the scenario: your vessel is sailing from a latitude of 40 degree minutes north and your longitude of 90 degree minutes east. And the latitude B is also 40 degree minutes north and a longitude of 115 degree minutes east. Now, determine your course and the distance. So first, in parallel sailing, we must find the DLO. So we can see we have the same latitude so in this case, sailing parallel latitude, so our departure same latitude is our same departure and same of sailing of arrival. So now we must find the DLO. So the DLO is 4, so long A equals to 4 equals to long A equals to 90 degree 90 degree minutes east. Then long B equals to 115 minutes east. So as we can see, this long A and long B is going down, so we must subtract this 90 degree and 115 degree. So using the scientific calculator, so 90 degree minus 115 degree is equals to 25 degree minutes east. To convert it to minutes, we must multiply by 60. So multiply by 60, 25 degree times 60 is equals to 1500 minutes. 1500 minutes. So we have our DLO. So B, in parallel sailing, we have to find the departure and the distance. Find distance. So the formula is cos lat equals to departure divided by DLO. So in this case, our lat, so in this case, departure must be fine. So departure is moved to, in the first, so departure, so the formula is dip DLO times cos and lat. So substitute, so DLO is 1500 minutes times cos and lat. Using again from scientific calculator, 1500 minutes times cos and times 40 degree equals to 149.1. So we have the departure nautical mile. So in this case, we have in the lecture that we have the departure in parallel sailing, the departure and the distance must be the same. So our departure is 149.1 nautical mile and our distance also is 149 nautical mile. So if your sailing is going to east, based on the lecture that we have, if your true course is going to the east, must be 90 degree. So our true course is 90 degree true. And that's all to how to calculate parallel sailing.